Hi, I'm Saransh Mehta, and my research topic is classification of high resolution Landsat time series by using lower resolution reference data. And my supervisors are Dr. Charlotte Pelletier and Dr. Francois Petigian. My topic of research is remote sensing, where we use satellite images to obtain information about Earth. A brief history of remote sensing using image classification. We have three major classification methods. One is unsupervised, where we don't have a true training label. A supervised classification where we have information about already existing training set, and we use that information to make our classifiers. And object-based techniques, where we use additional features such as texture and object size to make our classification. With the advent of newer sensors, we have much more richer data available to us across different bands, and now the data is available at much higher spatial resolution. What we want to do is we want to use the already existing land cover maps at lower resolution and learn based on them and train our higher resolution images. So the proposed approach is using these two data sources. We do the pre-processing and get them in the same size and detect the outliers present in the new training set. And we know based on the previous research that mislabeled classes are the biggest sources of uh, incorrect classification. And if we can remove these mislabeled classes, our classifiers will perform better, and we get a accurate land cover map, which can be used for agriculture management and better crop yield estimation. So as discussed, the main problem is when once we have a resolution, let's say we have this green rectangle at a resolution of 250 by 250 meter corresponding to a single pixel. But when we have information at a higher resolution, we have like a single pixel corresponding to 30 by 30 meter. So as you see, when we superimpose these two images, we don't get all the pixels corresponding to the same label. And this is the problem of misclassified pixels. And we need to devise a outlier detection and removal method to correct this problem. So this is the proposed methodology where we take these two data sources and do the image pre-processing, where in the raster image or the satellite image, we remove the clouds and we remove the noise. And for the lower resolution image, we remove the outliers of misclassified labels. And then we can use this data set to do our classification using random forest and generate an accurate land cover map. So this is how the process looks like. We have a lower resolution reference data of Victoria State provided by the Victorian government, and we have a high resolution satellite image data available by Google Earth Engine, and we have all these different bands in which the satellite image data is available in, and we use information from all these bands and from all the time series images to build our classifiers and finally generate a high resolution land cover map. And this is my research objective. Thank you.